Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be installing and reviewing 36-inch wig from Yolissa hair. This is HD lace 13x6 and I purchased this with my own money. So if you guys want to see how I do my installs, then keep on watching. Because I love my hair to lay flat, so I'm gonna hot comb this as flat as I can, and I will be using my Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat Protectant. This is my favorite heat protectant. It's so bomb, and it leaves the hair nice and shiny with a nice little sheen to it. So my little trick that I like to do is I like to first use the heat protectant, and then I'm gonna hot comb the hair to really get it nice and flat. Look at that difference already. Like, you could see the difference already. Do not play with me. I'm not one of them. So I'm just laying it flat. I like to go through it a couple times because I like my shit to be flat. Okay, I like it to be flat. Get a look at. Then I'm gonna go in with my She Is Bomb wax stick, and I'm really gonna get this bad boy to like be sleek and really lay super duper flat, because the hairstyle I'm going for today is simple but cute, and it requires like a flat surface, so I will be needing that. So for this look, I want like some waves. So I'm gonna use my Remington curling wand. So now I'm about to go in and do my baby hairs with my flat iron. And I'm gonna be using my edge booster to lay my edges. I use this on my real hair too. It works really good. So I would definitely recommend this hair for sure. My only con really is that it wasn't a 13x6 parting space. It wasn't like a closure. Like, it doesn't, like, you could do a side part, but it's not gonna be like a deep side part. That's really my only con with this hair. Like, this hair is beautiful. It took heat well. Customizing it was pretty easy. It is HD lace, so you don't have to do too much manipulation with it. I would definitely invest in some HD lace for sure. It's definitely worth it, and I am loving my hair, and it's giving very much Pocahontas, and I love this hair so much. So I'm gonna leave the wig details in the link below if you guys are interested. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.